guys. Are we here together right now? Are you so happy to be like with more than just ourselves right now? It feels so good to see you guys. I know it's cold. Thank you for being here, and it's cold. I forgot how to be in front of people. Honeysuckle land, a great big expression of happiness, happiness. Boy, you couldn't resist. With a dozen roses, such would astound you, astound you. The joy of children laughing around you. These are the makings of you. These are the makings, makings. These are the makings of you, you. These are the makings. The righteous way to go. Little one would know or believe if I told them so. You're second to none. The joy of all mankind should reflect some sign of these words I've tried to recite. These are the makings of you. These are the makings of you, you. These are the makings of you, you. Little one would know, little one would know. Little one would know, little one would know, or believe if I told them so. No, they're close but not quite. They're close but not quite. Not quite. Not quite. Honeysuckle land. Oh. The joy of children laughing. The joy of children laughing. Honeysuckle land. Oh, oh. These are the makings of you. Or believe if I told them so. You're second to none, second to none, second to none. These are the makings of you, you. These are the makings of you. These are the makings of you, yeah.
We really hope everybody, you know, just takes good care, because when you take good care of yourself, you take good care of your community, you know? Like the link between self-care and community care is like, it's right there. So we bless everybody and hope you take good care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon.